Hello guys, and welcome to another short video today. This one is just gonna be like a small video showing you how to remove these tire letters right here. I'm gonna show you. I put these on like 4 or 5 months ago because I was planning to go to a concert and I wanted to have this car concert themed. So now the concert was cancelled because of all the stuff that's going on. Yeah, I got new wheels, so I will be selling these wheels. And of course, nobody else wants to ride around with these tire letters. So today I'm gonna show you if you have like self-made tire letters or you use too much of this glue. I don't want to focus, but this glue. If you use too much of it, it's a pain in the to get off. So that's what I'm working on right now. There's no way to get it off like this, so I'm gonna show you the easiest way I found to get these off. I tried a wire wheel, I tried heat, I tried one of those rubber wheels right here, which by the way is the best way. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you how I did it. So as you can see, I already got rid of these tire letters. This is not all the way done yet. I can still clean this up a little bit, but I'm gonna show you the least wheel damaging way of getting these wheels off. So tire letter, whatever they are called, they already made a video about this, how to put them on and then later on put them off, take them off, and they said use a needle nose pliers. Let me get one real quick. So they said use needle nose pliers and work around the edges of this. Now as you can see, I made sure that these stupid tire letters don't come off, so you can't even really go in there, and you don't want to puncture inside the wheel because you're gonna pop it, you know. So see what a hassle this is. So the easiest way I found to do this, you're gonna start with a heat gun. So you use a heat gun on it and let it heat up a good amount, like it has to be hot. And then I have one of these things. This is just a plastic tool. I think this is actually used for something else. Oh yeah, to put wires behind, ouch, that's hot. To put wires behind interior parts of a car. Like this comes with when you buy a dash cam. I think you can buy these tools like this too. I don't know what it would be called, but as you can see, it's so much easier to get under this when it's hot and just take it off. If it's still hot, just use a little bit more heat. Okay, got this heated up, and now you just go in here. You can also use like a plastic, one of those plastic scrapers. I have one laying around somewhere. All you gotta do is dig in there. Don't dig too deep because you don't want to cut into your tire, but you know what I'm saying. There you go. So this is coming off pretty okay. I don't put too much strength on it. But also make sure you don't touch it because it's hot. Like a little rip is okay, but I wouldn't touch it the whole time. There you go. When you got the main part off, like I do, so I'm down now to the glue and the last layer of plastic. All you gotta do is get your plastic wheel and go on it. It's gonna smell like you're doing a burnout, by the way. That's pretty cool. Now I wouldn't go too deep because I don't know how strong your sidewall is, but this doesn't take much away from the tire itself. It really just burns plastic and the adhesive away, so it looks clean again. Okay, we give it a small wipe. There you go. So it's coming off pretty good. It's just time consuming, but I mean, hey, you have to know before you do this if you actually want to keep those tire letters or not. Now I know I shouldn't have done it because now I'm trying to get rid of these wheels and nobody wants to buy them because they have tire letters on them. So yeah, this is pretty much it. You just keep going like this all around the tire, and then you can just clean it up. There's a little bit more. This polishes back out, like you can use polish, and then this comes back off because it's just rubber. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video, and then we will see us next time. I also installed some sway bars today. I didn't make a video about it because there's enough videos online. I'm only gonna make videos about stuff that is not a lot out there, you know. So there is already videos on the sway bars, so I didn't have the need to do it. But yeah, it's pretty sick. I mean, it drives a whole lot better. And little spoiler, I got suspension parts coming in, so be excited for that one because we're definitely gonna make a video about that one. So yeah, until next time, bye.